Everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I come forward with another review video regarding the Maharashtra dental colleges with their fees, seats and cutoff, that too related with the MDS course. So if you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming video. Moreover, there is the new facility which is out regarding you can book the call if you have a lot of queries related to the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, or you can join the WhatsApp group of NEET MDS 2023 counseling either by drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, or you can follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Follow me there as a sweet gesture. Ask for the link of the WhatsApp group regarding the NEET MDS 2023 counseling, and then you can register yourself like that. You can join that group in just 5 minutes. It is the fastest mode of sharing the information regarding the NEET MDS counseling. Now back to the topic. It's my humble request that you can watch this video till the end. Now let's see the new college dental review, that is the Dr. Rajesh Ram Dasji Kambe Dental College and Hospital, Akola, which is the private dental college of Maharashtra, which is established in the year 2015 and 2016. Hospital attached is the Government Medical Hospital, Akola, and the university is same, that is the MUHS University, Nasik. If we talk about the MDS seat, then there is 2 prostho seats, 2 oral surgery seats, 3 endo seats and 3 ortho seats is there. Fees is not updated regarding this college on their official website. Is one notice regarding the fees has to be increased in case of the NEET MDS 2023 and 2024 session, and that too related to with the all the states, and that too for the MDS course. So already the fees is not updated yet. Let's see the cutoff of the Dr. Rajesh Ram Dasji Kambe Dental College and Hospital, that to the previous year cutoff. So being a SC category, that to All India Quota Counseling of NEET MDS 2022, SC category got MDS in prosthodontics at the rank of 512. OBC category got MDS in endodontics at the rank of 315. Followed by the general category candidate got MDS in oral surgery at the rank of 320. Followed by the general category candidate got MDS in orthodontics at the rank of 312. And the another general category candidate got MDS in endodontics at the rank of 289. Talk about the another dental college of Maharashtra, but that dental college is the Government Dental College of Maharashtra, that is present in Aurangabad, which is totally a government dental college which is established in the year 1982 and 83. The hospital attached is the Government General Hospital, and the university is same, that is the MUHS University, Nasik. If we talk about the MDS seat which is available in this government dental colleges, then there is the 3 seats available in each and every department, whether it is ortho, OS, OP, OMR, prostho, peri or endo. All the departments has the 3 seats, 3 PG seats in their department. Followed by again the fees is not mentioned on their website right now. Now let's see the cutoff of the GDC. That is being a SC category, that to All India Quota Counseling candidate got MDS in endodontics at the rank of 1109, followed by the ST category from the NEET MDS 2022 counseling, being a candidate in the All India Quota Counseling got MDS in endodontics at the rank of 3511. Followed by the general category candidate got MDS in prosthodontics at the rank of 314. Dental colleges which is present in the Maharashtra, GDC Mumbai, which is the government dental college which is established in the year 1951 and 52. The hospital attached is the Grant Government Medical College and Hospital, Mumbai, and the university is same, that is the MUHS University, Nasik. If we talk about the fees, then the fees in this government dental college is 2,30,000 rupees, that too for 3 years of the MDS course. And if we see the MDS seats here in this government dental colleges, then definitely the 3 pedo seats, 5 OP seats, 5 OMR seats, 3 OS seats, 3 ortho seats, 5 endo seats, 10 prosto seats and 5 perio seats are there in this college. Followed by, if we see the previous year cutoff of the GDC Mumbai, then we see being a SC category from the NEET MDS 2022 counselling, that to All India quota counselling, the ST category got MDS in oral pathology at the rank of 4,409, followed by the general category got MDS in periodontics at the rank of 397. So that's all about the today's video regarding the dental colleges review video of Maharashtra Government plus Private. I hope this video clear all your query. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.